What up, my people? I have a couple cryptocurrencies for you guys that I think will probably moon hardcore in the next bull market. We're going to go over why AI coins are popping off. We're going to go over the catastrophe that will potentially be Zephyr crypto, and GPU mining is back. Yeah, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Let's get into it. Now that you survived my intro and I'm recording this video for a second time, yeah, so first thing on today's list, we're going to talk about CPU mining and Zephyr. Yesterday when I posted my video, or the day before, one of the two, it was holding around this $44 range. It's definitely been keeping in the range of where I drew. We're definitely approaching that $29 range fast, and if we don't hold there, which there's not a lot of support around that range, we're definitely going to be breaking towards that 20. Essentially, we're going to be losing half of our pricing power, or half of our price, and half price means half profits, which is not looking really good. So if you guys are sitting there thinking about buying CPUs or just got CPUs, I might recommend taking those back, or stacking a bag for future profits. But right now the network difficulty is still growing. Even with the price decline, you can see here on hero miners that at least even just this one pool is still seeing a significant influx of miners, even though the network difficulty now is like, we're at, I want to say, all-time highs for Zephyr. And yeah, that network difficulty is going to be continuously rising. As you guys can see, people are falling off of the solo mining network and definitely hopping into pools just because the network is becoming that cluttered. There is this really interesting spike here, which means is kind of interesting for me. Your boy Bitmain might be doing some things with that X5. But yeah, we can come over here and I'm getting around 30. Oh, no, I wish I was getting 30 mega hash. I'm getting around 30 kilohash with my current CPU mining. Yesterday, this number was closer to 5, 6, peaking up to sometimes $8. We're at 360 on a good time. And this, I want to say one thing, this is not 100% accurate. But yeah, those at one point, this profit was looking at like $200 a month. We're now down to 108. And like, when we get big spikes like that, or big difficulty jumps like that, it definitely drops hard. So just keep that in mind when it comes to CPU mining Zephyr. But yeah, this chart right here is not looking the best right now. I mean, we might hold around this 33 to 30 range, bounce around, but I definitely see us reaching that $29 range in the next couple of days, and potentially breaking down, because if you look at this chart, there's not much, because this coin has recently just ran up and pumped out the wazoo, there's not much resistance for us to fall back on anywhere. And so, I mean, it also might be a good time to try and short Zephyr. I mean, if you would have, yesterday when I wrote the video, if you would have sold, bought back in here, easily 10% gain on your Zephyr, if my math is correct, which it probably isn't. But yeah, price is not looking pretty for Zephyr. We had a peak out around 52, and since we hit that peak, it's been just a steady decline. Zephyr is still up 849% over the last couple of days. So I mean, if you already stacked your bag, then great. If not, it's either a good time to start stacking your bag, or just wait for the next coin. Well, that's about it for Zephyr. You've been warned. I mean, I'm still going to be mining it because a little bit of profit is better than no profit, but I've already had the hardware. If you're looking at buying hardware for Zephyr, use your best whatever the discretion. Okay, also next on the docket, we're going to talk about GPU mining. GPU mining this morning is looking fantastic. We have a 4090 over here doing 242 in revenue with $1.35 in profit, which is like, that gives me Ethereum-esque vibes right there. Also, let's go down to something that's a little bit more obtainable. If you don't have the $1,200-1,500 bucks for one of those, 3060 Ti right now is doing 51 cents on Near AI. I have two 3060 Ti, so let's see what these guys are doing. Yeah, like this is looking good. 37 cents on Chinet. Friendcoin is doing 45 cents. Near AI 49. Chlor.ai is doing almost 50 cents a day. This one may be one to hop on. It's looking pretty good right there. But yeah, as far as that goes, GPU mineable coins are looking really good. We have a lot of things in the profit. I'm currently mining at 12 cents a kilowatt hour. You have to go down pretty far down the list to start seeing coins that GPUs that aren't that profitable. If we can come all the way down, even your RX 588 gigs making 6 cents a day. Intel Arc A77 is breaking even at 54 cents, which I mean, hey, you're not losing money, but you ain't making money. Intel Arc A750, I'm thinking about picking up one of these relatively soon just because they look cool. It's giving you 7 cents profit. So yeah, even a 3060 Super on XNR is doing some profits, which is really nice. So like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, one thing I wanted to talk about, let's go back to my portfolio. Sorry to blind you. I don't know how to put this in dark mode. Dark mode. There we go. Okay, yeah. So as you guys can see, let's go look at the 7-day. So on the 7-day chart, we got Novo up 131%, Chlor.ai up almost 100%, Gods Unchained, still one of my favorite crypto NFT games, up. Pal Blocks, I did a couple videos on, go down, check the channel. Our boy Raptorium up 30%, looking really nice. I might do another video talking about Raptorium. I still think this project is going to be a banger in the next bull run. We also got Neoxa, which I think will be a banger in the next bull run. Well, I guess while we're here, let's go ahead and talk about first, over the last 2 weeks, OpenAI has been having some issues. Essentially, their CEO, Sam Altman, just got axed from the company. They wanted to bring him back. He didn't want to come back. Microsoft wanted to take him. Then he decided he was going to come back, I believe. And so that's a big part of the reason why you're seeing a lot of these AI or distributive network cryptos going ahead and pumping up. Pretty hardcore. So yeah, like Dynex sitting at $1.10. A couple of the coins I'm looking at for the next bull run definitely is Octaspace. Octaspace is looking to be a major player in that distributive network, decentralized AI kind of play. They're looking really good. Let's go ahead and check them out. They're up to 90 cents over the last, yeah, they're up 100% in the last 30 days. So if your iPolo's been getting down like mine has, you're in the profit. But yeah, I definitely think Octaspace is going to be a next banger in the bull run. We have a video coming out maybe later this week talking about Octaspace. This is one right here that I'm definitely looking forward to in the next bull run. Another coin that I think could potentially pop off is going to be this Neoxa. They just partnered with iNodes, or not partnered, but working with iNodes so you can earn your little passive income on the crypto you've already mined, which, I mean, I'm never going to complain about that. But Neoxa is up on the year 134%, on the last 30 days 48%, which is looking pretty nice if you've been stacking a bag of Neoxa. One other coin I've been thinking about looking at is going to be well, I've been looking at Chlor.ai. Chlor.ai has been freaking mooning lately, up over 500% over the last 30 days. I would definitely recommend hopping on Chlor.ai. I mean, their chart's not looking as safe as far as like pullbacks, because there's not much resistance here between the 9 cent and 12 cent range, actually. Yeah, so if we do fall past that, it'll say 10 cent range, you could be in trouble, but right now it's looking relatively good. And then also there's a coin Nexa that you saw on hashrate.no. that's been, ooh, Nexa's at 420. Haha, might have to go smoke a joint and mine some nexa. Ooh, can I say that on YouTube? I don't know. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Comment what coins you guys are looking at, what coins you would like to see me talk about. And yeah, Nexa is up 238% over the last 2 days, and that's really good. If you stacked your bag, there's still quite a ways of room for Nexa to go. I don't necessarily think Nexa is going to break that dollar mark, so if that's what you're hoping for, you might be wasting your time. But I definitely see some 10-20x profits in the future of Nexa. And yeah, one thing I did want to show you is sorry the videos are a little bit everywhere today. It's super early. I'm super tired. I got homework. But yeah, just that difficulty on Zephyr is still spiking. GPU mining is profitable, and I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. So please like and subscribe. You guys have a nice day. Peace out.